what kind of photos do turtles take on cell phones? I shall be.
You started this. You started this with all your little dad jokes and everything you started coming back with. So now she's on this kick of finding all these little corny jokes to tell us every day. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are going to be working on the van, and we have a issue with it. I was getting ready to take off, and we are going to finish some stuff up, but we ran into a major problem. I went and took it and registered it yesterday, and the volts started dropping really bad. I don't think the alternator is completely shot, but for me, I don't trust it enough. It should be producing right around 13.5 to 14.5 volts, and because this is a 145 amp alternator, it should be producing way more than the 13.2 that is producing with everything off. So we're going to pull this apart real quick, get the alternator swapped out, and then plus I got some bushings and stuff I saw when I was underneath this thing yesterday, working on a few things. I got to get those changed as well too. So let's get started. Okay. I've been doing this longer than you have.
Not no more, dude.
Oh yeah. This alternator does look a little old.
Yeah.
So is the alternator bad?
All I gotta do is pull this off.
I know, but girl.
Hot. Beast. There.
See, I told you, it don't take much
Hot.
to get that out.
Yeah, obviously I think it's gonna be hot. I mean, it was just running.
You know.
Girl.
And just like that, everybody, new alternator put in and fixed the issue. So we are now charging where we should be. And yeah, van's ready to rock and roll. So we're gonna wrap everything up, finish this all up, and get this closed up, and move on to the next project, which was the hitch that we're gonna show you in the next video, and go from there. So see you guys. Peace.